In this video, we're going to learn how to calculate the variance of a discrete random variable. A discrete random variable could represent the values of the outcomes of rolling a die such as this. Let x be the face value of a die toss. So we know that the possible values of x are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the probabilities, if it's a fair die, are 1 over 6, 1 over 6, 1 over 6. All the possible values are 1 over 6. Now we know that from the previous video that the expected value of x is equal to 3.5. So how can we calculate the variance of x? Well, the variance of x is basically the average deviation from the expected value. So for example here, the average deviation of the first value is 1 minus 3.5. We square it and we weight it by the probability, 1 over 6. And then the next average deviation is 2 minus 3.5 squared times its probability, 1 over 6, all the way down to 6 minus 3.5 squared times 1 out of 6. And if you plug this into a piece of statistical software or a calculator, you'll end up with the value 2.92. The square root of the variance is called the standard deviation of x. And in this case, that's equal to the square root of 2.92, which is equal to 1.71. The general formula for a discrete random variable is given by this expression. In this case, we have x1, x2, all the way down to xk, and those are the possible values of the discrete random variable, and each one of them has probability that x is equal to x1, probability that x is equal to x2, and the probability that x is equal to xk. So in the case of rolling a die, we have k equal to 6, because there were 6 possible outcomes. x1 was equal to 1, x2 was equal to 2, and x6 was equal to 6. The expected value of x was calculated previously, and that was equal to 3.5, and then we plug it all into this formula and obtain 1 minus 3.5 squared, so that's this part over here, times this probability, which is 1 out of 6, which is this component over here. And then we do that for all the possible values. So the next one is 2 minus 3.5 squared times 1 out of 6, all the way down to 6 minus 3.5 squared times 1 out of 6.